Let me show you the steps that you need to follow in order to sign up or create an account of Wise. Welcome back to a new tutorial video, everyone. Previously known as TransferWise, it is a platform to send and receive money globally. In order for you to sign up for Wise, you can head over to the website, which is wise.com. Inside of the website, you'll be able to see the button called register on the top right of the screen. You can click on the register button and fill in your information. Now, there are a few ways that you can sign up. Either you can use your email address. If you don't want that, you can either choose to sign up using your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple account. Choose one of these options on the bottom and select your account and you'll be immediately signed up. For this video, however, I'm just gonna use the email address. Once you type in your email, click on next. Now a link will be sent to the email address. You can just head over to the email and then follow in the link. If you open up your email, you'll receive a similar email saying that to continue opening your account, you'll need to confirm your email address. So just click on confirm email. Once your email now has been confirmed, click on continue. The next step is to choose either you want a personal account or a business account. Depending upon your needs, you can choose your option. Next, you'll need to select your country and then provide a proof of address. So select the country you're from and then click on continue. Once you've selected your country, the next step is to add in a phone number. Without adding a phone number, you won't be able to create or sign up to Wise. So select your country code and then type in your phone number. Once you've typed in your phone number, you can now click on send verification code. Now a 6-digit verification code will be sent to the phone number that you just entered. You'll receive the code, just type in the code and then click on done. Once you've added in the code, the last step is to create a password. Make sure your password is strong by including numbers, letters, and special characters. Once you created a strong password, you can now click on continue. Once you've now typed in your password and created your password, you need to add in your few information such as your verified name and the address so that you can prove your valid address to the Wise account. So those are the steps that you need to follow in order to create an account of Wise. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.